Log in to texasasphalt.org. Navigate to the top right-hand corner of your browser window and hit the Login button. Enter the email address associated with your TXAPA membership and your unique password. If you are your organization's association rep, you may manage your company profile and your associates under Manage My Company. If you are not the association rep, these options will not be available. To manage your company profile and add locations, navigate to that section and review your organization's information. Make any necessary updates and hit Save Changes. You may also add additional locations to your organization's record. To add an additional location, click Add Location and fill in the required information. Some locations may not include this information, or you may not wish to show this information. If you would like to provide a list of your locations for TXAPA's information only, but you would not like to share this information in the directory, make sure this box is checked off. If you would like to share the location information in the directory, turn the box back on. If you would not like to share certain aspects of a location's information, please put a dash in the required fields. Hit Save Changes. You may update existing locations by hitting the Edit button. Make changes as needed and hit Save Changes. Notice the name of this location and that the location email address is that of the location's primary contact.